That is Ted Mendez, one of the country's most influential military-grade moneymen. This must be connected to Kronstadt.
Bill, it's Ted here. Just returning your call before heading over to the expo building to meet Knox for the new combat android presentation. Go. I'm letting him stew. The guy's a genius, and you know what they're like. Desperately lacking any discipline or respect for other people. Last time I tried to have a meeting with him, he had me sitting in a room for 4 hours before canceling. I'll head up when I feel like it. All right. I'll call you after the presentation. Speak then.
Ted Mendez, a defense funding consultant with the...
Mr. Mendez, good to see you, sir. The demonstration is scheduled to take place on the upper floors. Please feel free to use the stairs right over there.
Excuse me. Can you tell me where to go, please?
It's just up these stairs.
How are you, sir?
Collecting pictures of celebrity entrepreneurs now 47? What are you thinking?
Mr. Mendez? Right this way, sir.
Hello there, sir.
Ah, Ted. Good to finally see you. Guess traffic was rough. Never mind. Let me show you everything. I'm gonna say something provocative now, Ted. War is going out of fashion. It's dirty. It's just plain bad PR. Nobody wants to exchange their children and loved ones for flags and medals anymore. The glory is gone, Ted. But, luckily, Kronstadt has a solution for that. Imagine this. Android infiltrators operating in the field, disguised and fully embedded, ready to strike at a moment's notice. Indestructible robotic operators who can infiltrate the deepest sanctuary of any adversary, striking an unseen fatal blow, a surgical tool for a blunt world. Imagine an army of them, fully equipped android medics, seeking out wounded servicemen and injured civilians, bringing them to safety, or patching them up then and there. Android pilots delivering payloads deep inside enemy territory with uncanny precision and minimal collateral damage. All right, Mendez, it's very straightforward. Let me show you. I just pick any of the pictures on the desk, then I use the scanner to upload the biometric data. And Palace will do the rest.
Target acquired. WB.
Obviously, the final system won't rely on you manually feeding it biometric data. This is still a prototype. This is a pivotal moment in modern conflict solution, Ted. Palace is entirely foolproof. All you need is to pick a photo from the table and scan it just like I showed you. It's perfectly safe. Go ahead. Make my day.
Target acquired. Robert Knox.
Aw, cripes. What?
Robert Knox down.
There, Commander.
Now for the heir to the Kronstadt Empire.
A group of local children made the gruesome find close to an abandoned apricot farm, which,
Yeah.
according
Hey,
to sources
sup?
at the FBI,
Calls have not been set up properly for an interview at this time. It's a beautiful, that's for sure.
I understood from the briefing earlier that we're just supposed to grab him if something happens to it.
No problem.
Octane booster, huh? What is that stuff, anyway?
I think some of the teams are using it to increase car speed. Heard a few Kronstadt mechanics talking about it the other day. Something about Knox not wanting to use it until she wants to win on her own. Knox ordered them to put it here, so they asked me to put it here. So I just did that. Not touching it again.
Sounds like a good idea.
Wow. Please, no!
You see, that's the problem. You come straight from the pit, and don't forget, the secret of endurance racing is to keep that car going until the end. This race is not over until the clock ticks down.
Thanks. Don't get too close, thank you, but I'm not interested.
Remember, folks, that endurance racing is all about getting your car to
I don't
cover
care
as many
about your
miles as
problems,
possible,
all right?
no
Made
matter
it
how
clear this
burned out
morning that
or
if things
beat up
didn't
you
change,
may be.
I'd be off the Kronstadt. Half an hour later, I have to listen to Knox berate my skills as a mechanic because the roll cage interferes with the radio signals from Sierra's suit. No more. I'm done. Yes, I know you're a man short now. No, I don't give a rat's ass about it. You double my salary for the entire week, and I'll come back in case Sierra decides to use that last pit stop. Well, if you decide otherwise, I'll be down by the paddock. Best of luck, Grace.
One of the Kronstadt
Newcomers to endurance racing. Let me remind you that this
all
is
alone, 47. Time to make your move.
fuel efficiency and reliability. That's the name of the game. This this is where you...
Dressed as a mechanic, you're now allowed inside the Kronstadt pit. I suggest you talk to Grace Miller, chief mechanic. She could probably use some extra hands.
Look at these beautiful cars. These cars are the future. You see the grip on these babies?
That's great.
So strong. I mean, you can drive straight up. Okay, if Sierra keeps pushing it like this, it's gonna burn out.
You're the junior slip wrench who got injured yesterday, right?
Suppose I am.
Great, this is your lucky day. Do well and there's a bonus in it, got it?
Got it.
All right, everyone, look alive and get to your stations. Sierra may come in for a last-minute pit stop, and I need you ready and able. You, rookie, get into position. Grab your preferred tool and be prepared. Today's your day to shine. Let's do this.
You should investigate your station, 47.
Judged by the state of the car when they brought it back in, I'd say he's not in great condition.
I heard a couple of the guys talking earlier.
They said the car was behaving
Okay.
Sierra's coming in. Everyone on your stations, now!
And now for a bit of maintenance. Both targets down. Well done, 47. Head for an exit, and we'll speak again soon.
The marshals and the paramedics can get there fast. Get ready, folks. Our new Chinese champion is on the podium in a few moments. VIPs are gathered.